Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 68 Reg X430D M Sport in Alpine White. Alongside the very nice exterior colour, this vehicle features some fantastic and sought after BMW options alongside a full your next car M Performance body styling kit. You'll see there at the front the very aggressive and very nice looking jet black front splitter alongside the matching kidney grills. It is of course the new shape X4, so it does come with the LED front and rear lights. We've made the addition of a brand new set of the 20795M style alloy wheels, also in jet black. You'll see behind there the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this a very nice X4 we've got the full M Sport Plus package. Heading towards the car, we've also got the comfort access package, so I can simply walk up to the car with the key in my pocket and it'll unlock for me very easy. Nice thing to have, especially should your hands be full. Inside is a full black Vanessa gear leather. Both front drivers and passenger seats are heated with electric memory and movement and memory for driver's side. Harman Kardon surround sound, of course, as part of that M Sport Plus package, and of course all of the interior is very nice and very well lit by the ambient lighting settings, which are of course all interchangeable. For rear passengers, you'll find a very spacious, very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest. You'll see there the other side of the seat is in a different position. That is thanks to the second row seats are also reclinable, to of course give it not only rear passengers that bit more comfort, but also alternatively to give yourselves more room in the boot. Around at the back we've got these very nice 3-dimensional rear LED lights, and as you can see in just a second we've got a very nice dual exit exhaust as well as a rear facing reversing camera. Popping open the boot, it is of course automatic both opening and closing. There you can see how large that boot space is, and as I've mentioned, these seats also fold as well as being able to recline. Round onto the driver's side, once again you can see how well the Alpine White works with all of the additions ourselves made, including those very eye-catching alloys. It is of course worth mentioning before we hop on board the car, we are currently running a click and collect service here at Your Next Car. If you want to find out more about that, of course, as well as this very special X4, simply follow the links down below in the description. So now we've got that, we're going to hop on inside in the car, where we're greeted by a lovely widescreen touchscreen professional wide navigation and media center. We've also got a very nice LED backlit display, which is of course this will change should we enter sport. We get a really nice red middle portion, as you can see there, and you do also get the M logo displayed as well. This is a very low mileage X4, having covered just over 7,000 miles. In terms of that touchscreen center, as you can see, we'll go through in terms of the multimedia. There is music collection, Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth telephone of course, as well as the music collection has been enabled on this vehicle as well. Going through, we'll start with the Connected Drive Plus, which is of course a really nice system. On this one, however, we've also got the Amazon Alexa function, so that is going to work identically to your regular Alexa devices at home. However, it is installed in your car, making it that bit more user friendly and a bit more convenient. Simply pair your mobile device to it and then enable your voice button over here on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, and you can use it exactly the same. So you can even ask it the same things, add things to your shopping list, or simple things like asking it how the weather's going to be to a certain destination you're going to travel to. Utilising the touchscreen system again on the sat nav, we can scroll, you can pinch zoom, you can set destinations by simply tapping in there. We do have that rear facing reversing camera, as I mentioned, as well as the park assist up here, as you can see there. We've got front and rear parking sensors, as you've heard beeping away there. Down here, the dual climate control with switches for the front heated seats. This little button here is to activate the safety system, so there you can see there we can turn those on if we can configure them, or we can have the collision warning or the pedestrian alert, and again you can configure them to something of your own wants and needs. So there is a look around a fantastic X430D M Sport here at Your Next Car, and as I've mentioned, if you would like to know some more information on this wonderful vehicle, simply follow those links down below, and from there you can view more about this car, including some very nice pictures of the vehicle. Thanks guys, do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.